Ah, the good life. It's worth waiting for. But for some, it can come sooner than later. Like this family. They took the advice of their grandpa, who knew that the time spent best is time spent with family, doing things together and enjoying the natural beauty of our planet. And there's no finer way to enjoy that than on the water, in a boat. Whether exploring a new waterway or just getting some peace and quiet, Greenline Hybrid Boating provides an experience like no other, keeping our waters clean and beautiful. Yeah, my family's doing the smart thing, listening to their grandpa. Greenline has changed the way of boating, and we love it.